Let's take a look at how we use a shovel as a Class 2 lever now. Okay, let's watch the following clip. Notice in this case, okay, when we use it as a Class 2 lever, we're now using it, okay, to remove a log, for example, or sometimes you may have to break a root, okay, from a tree that you are removing from a yard. So by shoveling the piece all the way in, I am now using the tip of the shovel as a fulcrum, and by lifting upward on one end, the middle part, okay, of the shovel now becomes the output force area, and that's what's pushing and causing the log to roll over. So that's a Class 2 lever being used.
So just how did the island come into existence, and how did Hanauma Bay develop? To understand this, we should take a trip back in time to a period approximately 100 million years ago. The earliest volcanic activity connected to the Hawaiian Islands occurred around this time. It is generally accepted that a hotspot, an area of intense heat in the Earth's mantle, is the source of the energy driving Hawaiian volcanism. As the crustal plate moved in the northwesterly direction over this spot, the plate material gave way to the heat, resulting in submarine volcanoes that over time emerged as islands. Moving forward in time, let's focus on the origins of the island that would become known as Oahu. Remember, when the islands were first born, they had no names. Less than 6 million years ago, the hotspot had begun the creation of a new island. Try to imagine a mountain being built up from the seafloor and after millions of years emerging above the surface of the ocean. This enormous geologic structure is the developing oceanic island. Proof of this kind of development is the island of Hawaii's Mauna Kea's recognition as the tallest mountain on Earth. It rises from the seafloor to the surface over 18,000 feet. Add to that its height above the ocean surface, 13,796 feet, and the total height of Mauna Kea is roughly 31,796 feet. That makes it nearly a mile taller than Mount Everest, which is the tallest mountain above sea level.
The seafloor trembles. Beneath thousands of feet of unnamed ocean, fissures open in the Earth's crust. Molten lava oozes upward. The outbreaks would have a fire-like glow if light could reach these depths. Instead, in the darkness, the superheated material is black. 2,000-degree lava instantly meeting frigid seawater. This battle between water and fire goes on for thousands of years, volcanic material building its way toward the surface until what would become the island of Oahu makes its first appearance, breaking the surface of what Portuguese explorer Ferdinand Magellan would name the Pacific Ocean in 1520, some 4 million years later. First to form on the new island is a range of mountains on its western end. These will later be known as the Waianae. Approximately 1 million years later, another range of mountains forms. These are the Ko'olau. 2 million years ago, the eastern flank of the huge Ko'olau volcano collapses and submerges, leaving the steep-sided range we see today. A period of volcanic activity named the Honolulu Series occurred about 1 million years ago, giving Oahu its final touches, creating landmarks like Punch Bowl, Diamond Head, and the southern tip of the island.
Lots of schools offer a great education. So why did I choose Leeward Community College? Well, for one thing, Leeward saves me a lot of money. And after I graduate, I'll get a lifetime help to get a job. That's right, job placement assistance for a lifetime, in person or online. I think I made the right choice.
Interested? Check out the details online.